understand that it was a mixed quarter for Voltas, with revenue and EBITDA missing street expectations. Management also foresees Projects Biz to see sequential improvement in Q3 and Q4. So tell us a bit more about that one before we let you go.
Voltas will also be in focus on the back of its Q1 earnings, and it's a mixed set of numbers coming in because the revenue and EBITDA have come in slightly softer than our estimates as well as the consensus street estimates. However, the net profit is a beat this time around and margins are absolutely in line. Taking you through what those numbers look like, revenue at 4,674 crore rupees is an uptick of almost 19% on a year-on-year basis. The EBITDA is up almost 49%. PAT is up 52%, and that's a beat on our estimates. We were estimating 207 crores, it's coming at 214 crores. EBITDA margins have seen a little bit of an expansion at 5.7% compared to 4.5%, an uptick of 115 bips, but this was largely penciled in by the street, so in line with our estimates. Taking you quickly through what the Q1 highlights for the company has been, they've entered into a joint venture with Attenberg Innovation to build REC compressors in India, and this can relieve a lot of pressure from their supply chain when it comes to compressors. They've achieved a 17.3% secondary market share in REC in the first quarter. REC volumes were up 45%. Commercial ACs, they say, represents a long-term growth opportunity, while commercial air coolers and refrigeration this quarter has slightly been soft for that. Volbeck has done well. EMPS new order book remains delayed due to geopolitical tensions is something that they've said, and the EMPS carry forward order book stands at 6,345 crores. To sum it up, the management outlook, they've said that Q2 is traditionally a leaner period, but Voltas remains well equipped to navigate the challenges, and unitary cooling products have grown 32%, but the EMP segment has seen a cut of 27%. Lastly, taking you through some of the con call takeaways, they expect capex for Attenberg's JV to occur between FY28 and FY29, and overall cost increase, they say, was 10 to 12%, partially offset by price hikes. Jefferies, Motilal Oswal, ICICI Securities have all maintained their rating but hiked the target price. Investec and Goldman Sachs continue to weigh to maintain their rating as well as the target price on the stock. So that's a roundup on Voltas' Q1, largely a mixed bag.
All right, thank you, Snehi, for taking us through that. Voltas also going to be in focus today. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Market Cafe. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We've got the markets lined up next for you.